Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable location features in the MTA TrainTime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then at the Settings section, look for the Enable Location Features button, and then click on the white circle next to it, and then just click on the Settings button, and at the settings of your phone you can enable the location access. So just click on the one that you want to use and then go back to the application and it will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.